1968 Chevrolet El Camino Custom here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Big block car, era correct, 396 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 700 R4 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chrome and bright work up front. Some SS badging on the grille. Kind of a deep wine or burgundy with black vinyl top, black interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. All of those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Has had a front disc brake conversion, riding on American Racing. 5-spoke flat polished wheels combination. As far as the hood, there are a few blemishes, and I got these in the still pictures also, here and there. Overall, it's a nice looking car, don't get me wrong. A few of those spots, one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Cloth buckets on the interior, B&M shifter, little armrest and cup holder setup, soft tonneau cover that does have struts and lifts upwards. You're going to see a bungee cord in the still pictures, a little setup where you pull the bungee cord, the hook's right there, does keep it nice and tight. Unhook that hook and lift it up. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Dual exhaust, front to rear. Get a good look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Tailgate looks good. That is a newer exhaust as well as newer tranny. A few notes from the technician. Heater core has been bypassed. Wipers work. The car is cold, pump a little bit. Other than that, it runs out smooth. It's run good for me. Fuel gauge is in off. Aftermarket gauges underneath the dash do work. Brakes are 60% in the front, 45% in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see the panels are nice and straight. It's not any major nicks, dings, or scratches. A few of those imperfections in the hood that kind of pointed out. Other than that, like I said, I haven't noticed anything major. You might have a touch up here or there. Example right there, small touch up. But again, paint has a nice shine to it. Black vinyl top looking good. If you like El Caminos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you'll see come through here. Some more of the SS 396 badging. Remember, represented as a El Camino Custom. Era correct, big block. Alright, cloth bucket seats. Really free of any major rips, tears, or holes. A little bit of wear in the piping down here. Maybe right inside that bolster slightly, but overall, good looking seats. There are a couple aftermarket kind of small cabinet style speakers behind the seats. Retro sound style radio that I have gotten to power up. It is working. I wouldn't say it performs the best with those speakers, but radio is working. Maybe needs a little different speaker setup. All right, one trick on this one: push button start down underneath the dash. Turn the ignition on. Push the button. Like I said, this has started up for me good. Tech said if it's cold, give her a few pumps. Tack working. There's the aftermarket gauges. Those are working. Like I said, this will power up. Dash, also looking good. Nice sounding car. Headliner also looks good. The door closes excellent. Let's listen. Complete dual exhaust, and like I said, it does sound good. Let's see if I can get this one hand in a second. There's one. It's going to take me 2 hands. There we go. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. So once again, power steering, power brakes. 396 big block, 4-barrel. Original AC car, no longer an AC car. Headers. Be a fun one to drive. 1968 Chevrolet El Camino Custom. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1968 Chevrolet El Camino in burgundy, black interior. There's a couple tiny little raindrops falling down. Just enough for us to show you that the wipers do work on this El Camino. This car started up instantly, idled right away very nicely. Sounds great. Very good acceleration. This is an automatic with a B&M shifter. Right here between the seats, easy to access. Our tachometer mounted to the column is working. Speedometer also working. The fuel gauge is topped out at full. I cannot vouch for that gauge. There's the wipers. They do function as they should. Digital radio in the dash. 345-50-50. Cloth bucket seats, very comfortable. We have a Grant GT steering wheel. It is slightly canted to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Brakes nice and straight. Brakes are working well. If you wanted a Chevelle, but also like the convenience of a bed to haul things, the El Camino's your car. Kickdown works well on that automatic transmission. Very comfortable car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures of this 68 El Camino at UniqueClassicCars.com.